Hey, welcome. So I'll be showing you how to make your pre-poo, detangler, and even your wash and go gel using just these ingredients. If you love to see this, keep watching. This DIY is so easy. Anybody can do it. All you have to do is soak your seeds in water for 30 minutes to an hour. And you should be looking for a consistency that looks like this. Once you achieve this consistency, then you can do a start and stop blend. Remember, we're not trying to blend the seeds. We just want it to produce all its juice, okay? When you're done, sieve out the solution. I prefer to use a thin socks like this because I feel it's less messy and easy in general. But of course, use what is accessible to you and the most convenient. I will advise using an applicator while using this just because of the amount of slip it has and to make the whole process more enjoyable and easier. Can you see how my hair is detangling with so much ease? It's giving me some definition, okay? I'm actually thinking of using this for my next wash and go, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. I realized using it alone without any product will make it come out better with little to no flake. So you can try that when you are using it for your wash and go. If you're new here and you're seeing my face for the first time, welcome. I'm glad to have you here. Do subscribe, join the wonderful family, turn on the post notification bell so that you're notified whenever I post a video. And if you are a returning subscriber, how are you doing? Thanks for watching. So we've come to the end of today's video. Remember to like and comment down below. Remember, you are beautiful and your hair is gorgeous. Thanks for watching, guys.